Hello, my YouTube family. Yeah, it's Big Poppy. I'm back. Yeah, I got me some catfish here that was given to me by my brother-in-law and my sister. I'm gonna cook up me some catfish and some French fries. Yeah, it's been a minute, ain't it? But don't sweat it. I'm still around. The word about my demise was overly exaggerated. Yeah, Big Poppy. Just like everybody else, having hard times. Yeah, when you're having hard times, you just gotta ride the wave. Yeah, boy. We're gonna see how long this little comeback gonna last. But you know we got some folks trying to keep us down. We just gotta keep on pushing. Yeah, just keep on pushing. But anyhow, I'm gonna fry that fish. I'm not gonna make a long video. I'm just trying to get back in the game. So we'll get back with you. I'm not gonna talk about all the eels and all the pills that I'm taking, but it's been a trial. Yes, sir. So we'll get through this and I'll show you the finished product. All right? All right, y'all. Big Poppy back. We're almost there. I got that belly meat in there. Yeah, I'm cooking the belly meat of it. Most people, I see them throwing that away. But I save that. That's more like a nugget to me. Yeah. Gonna eat that. So here it is. We in the, what's this, 2025? Yeah. I'm glad to be here. So since you're out there and you're watching, take this time to hit up a friend, tell them Big Poppy's back on the scene. I don't know how many videos I'm gonna put out every month, but I'm gonna start out with trying to do one a week. So we'll see how it works out. But sometimes when you're not in the best of health, you can't do too much. But I'm trying to get back to having some fun. I like cooking. I've been away from it. So y'all hit me up, subscribe, tell a friend, comment, and Big Poppy gonna see if he can keep it moving forward. All right, we're gonna let that cook a little while, and then we're gonna drop some fries, and I'll show you the finished plate. Okay, family, here we go. Big Poppy gonna make him a little plate. I got my condiment bowl right there. I got some pickled peppers. I like to eat pickled peppers with fried fish, so I can put some juice on it. Yeah, and fried chicken. Most time, I'll be eating just fresh serrano peppers. Yeah, I got me some hot sauce. that Frank's hot sauce and ketchup mixed together. I got some Louisiana tartar sauce. I got me some French fries here. Yeah, I ain't gonna get too many of them, 'cause I want to load up on my fish. Then I got my belly meat right here. Go on and get that. Mississippi ain't gonna eat that. It's got skin on it. Then I'm gonna get me one of these little whole fish. I think I'll take a small one. They're all small. I saved the big ones for later on. But my brother-in-law brought me a 40-pound catfish. Then he brought me 8 of these. I got 3 in the freezer. No, yeah, 4 in the freezer. But they big. They about 2, make about 2 of them. These 2 will make 1. Yeah. So I'm saving them. I'm gonna cut them up into steaks. Yeah, but they clean. They rich to go. Yes, sir. So, it ain't how you look in the kitchen. It's how you cook in the kitchen. You ain't gotta look good to cook good. So get on in that kitchen and cook you up something good to eat. And I want you to remember, if it ain't fried food, it ain't food. Okay? Or you can say, if it ain't fried food, it ain't good food. All right, Big Papi gonna be out, and we're gonna try to hang in here with y'all. Get this going. Back again. Send up some prayers.